When dealing with a recurrent roof problem, professional insight can go a long way toward determining an effective solution. Today we're in Capitola with Diamond Certified expert contributor Steve D'Addario of D'Addario Roofing Company to learn more.
Many times we'll go out to do an estimate for a new roof, and after evaluating the condition of the roof, we're able to recommend repairing the roof rather than replacing it. Assuming that the roof was properly installed and has been reasonably maintained, each type of roofing has a typical life expectancy. If you don't know the age of your current roof, we're generally able to tell the age of the roof based on its condition within a few years. For instance, cedar shakes typically last 20 to 30 years. Composition shingle roofs can last 20 to 35 years, although the newer generation of shingles can last up to 50 years. Concrete tile roofs and clay tile roofs generally last 50 to 60 years, while low-slope built-up roofs such as tar and gravel or modified asphalt roofing typically last 15 to 25 years. Another good tool to determine whether or not your roof can be repaired is whether the roofing company looking at it can offer a 1-year leak-free warranty on the entire roof. If they can and extend the life of your roof, then generally they're going to recommend repairing the roof. If they can't, then it's probably time to put a new roof on. Having options is a good thing, and the option to repair your roof and extend its life is definitely a good thing to have.
To learn more from local top-rated companies, visit our Diamond Certified expert reports at experts.diamondcertified.org.